So this is supposed to be a shark fin antenna. So this is the connector to the main antenna on the car. So this is the double-sided adhesive tape. I have put that into position. So this is it. So you can see the plastic that is used in making this thing is so soft. If it's, I don't know if it is going to last when if we have, if not, here in Finland the weather, I mean the summertime is not very long, but in temperate countries, okay, fine. But if you take this to a country where there is high temperature in terms of weather, so this can break away after few weeks. The plastic is very, very soft. So this is like some kind of push-in clips that I have ordered. So these push-in clips are supposed to be so much. This is the one that I needed so much. I needed about 10, because probably when the car went for service, so they removed these push-in clips, but they didn't return them. So there are a couple of places that I discovered that I need to replace them. But when they sent it to me in a packet that I have ordered, I couldn't get 3 of this very one that I wanted. They just put in some things that is not really important to me. So the whole of this is just, I don't need this. So these are the ones that I just managed to select. And really this particular design that I'm holding right now, I don't have it up to three numbers here. This is 1, 2. It is only 2. It's not even up to 3. So this is 2 pieces, and I have wanted about 10 of this very type. So that is it. So that is that. So for this one, this is like something that I've wanted to use, like the driver's mirror was not constructed with trafficating light. So I have wanted to use this to construct it into the driving mirror. This is supposed to be for the left side and the right side. So I have wanted to use this, but now I'm going through this device that was sent to me. I have tried to test it out, and I want to show you. So like, if you look at this one, you see this. So in this one, 1, 2, 3 LEDs are missing. So 3 of the LEDs are not working. So this other one, let me try this. So this one, you can see this. Let's see. Here. Yeah, so this one, the whole LED is working. So they're supposed to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here on the lower part, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs. So 3 LEDs is missing here. They are not even working, and yet I have not even installed it. And when you look at this cable that is connected to it, the cable is so soft. It is very, very soft. I don't think it's going to last. So, and the adhesive tape that is placed here does not stick properly, so it doesn't stick. So if you open up this one and then you connect it to the driver's mirror, it's not going to stay. So it's like the wind can just, just take it away. It doesn't make sense, because the tape itself is not strong. It's not properly glued to this place. So this is not going to work. There's no way I'm going to use this. So that is that. So with these materials that you see here, these ones are made with aluminium. These are okay. They're not the problem side. This is okay. Oh, this one is fine. So this one is kind of something I want to use for connecting. So you can see this one. This is like too small. it is very small. I have from the picture I saw, I have expected something that is at least about 1 centimeter uh, thickness, but it is very small. The cable here is just too light. This is good for probably when you're doing something like some electronics for indoor use only, but as for when you're doing something in the car that have to be connected in the engine compartment where there is going to be the temperature is going to be high when the car is running, so this kind of thing will not stand the temperature of the engine when this all this is connected. So all these ones are not, they're not very good. So and I've expected to have about the 5 numbers of this, but they are very small. This can be used for connecting speakers at home, but not like when you want to connect fog lamps or any other thing that is going to be in the compartment of the car. So this is not nice. So this kind of a switch that I've wanted. So you can see the size of this switch. I have wanted something that is going to be this size. Probably the measurement was calculated in millimeters, so I didn't do my conversion very fine to know how many centimeters it's going to give me. This is the kind of thing I have wanted to have. So, and I can have this even with an indicator here. It will have to have a kind of LED light here, the same way it is here. So I don't see why I want to make this kind of holes that is of this size on the dashboard of a car. So this is just too big. I cannot make this. I cannot construct this kind of or make this kind of hole in the car that will be as big as this. I've wanted something very small, but yeah, so that is for that. So this one is something I've wanted to use to make to connect the fog lamps to the like it has to come under the splash shield, so that if there is any event of trying to remove the bumper, you don't need to cut the wires. You can just plug it out like that. But you can see when you have pushed it in this way, is not firm, is not strong at all, so water could still get into the cable and destroy the into the connections. So it's not very strong. So when you remove it, you can see the material that is used in making it here is not real. It's nothing good. So that is that. So another thing, this limited sticker, this is good. You can see all the material that is made with aluminium or rubber, those ones has no problems. So another thing is the main thing that drove me to that shop is the fog lamp. So this fog lamp, you can see the wires that is used in making it is very, very small. This wire is just like it's like a thread, you know. When you look at it here, you can hardly see the wires. You can hardly see it. It is so tiny that you can't even manage to hold it. I mean, to hold on to it. You cannot hold on to it fine, because it has to have resistance because you have to connect it. It will run through the engine compartment of the car to the battery and other things like that. So it has to have resistance. This is not going to last. So this is it. It is poorly made, and yeah. So this one too, I'm thinking about this too. You can see the wires that is connected to this one. You can see the wires here. The wires are very, very, very small. They cannot, I don't think this is designed to last anything, because under how many weeks and under hot climate, this is going to break away within weeks. It's not going to last. So this is supposed to have some kind of plastic to cover it up. The light here is so exposed, and I don't know how many weeks this is going to stay if it is put on. I don't know how many weeks it's going to light before it goes into the trash. So that's it. So another thing is the tape. So this is the tape I have seen. So I don't, if I begin to use this tape, I've wanted, this is an example of a local tape here. You can see this tape. You can see how heavy this is, and then what is the measurement of the tape inside here. The quality is fine, but I wanted something like this one has this is math, and I wanted to use this in the car for some certain things I want to do, but I don't know if it is going to last because it's very is like the diameter of this tape only with a few lines of the main tape on top of it, and that's it. It's not going to do anything for me. So that's it. So this material that is here, this is something I want to use when I'm trying to remove the, so like if I'm trying to do something in the car and I'm trying to remove the trim in the dashboard or that thing, I don't need to use a knife. I don't need to use, this is made of plastics, which is very good. So this is just one of the things that probably has paid off for me. So that's it. So other things is just like, so yeah, so